Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a Nothing Phone 3a. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click install. Then click open. And now you can select this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.